Welcome to Confluencism 101. Welcome to our comprehensive guide on revitalizing U.S. manufacturing and infrastructure within the framework of Confluencism. Today, we'll explore 8 key strategies to bring manufacturing jobs back to the U.S. and transform our energy and transportation systems, benefiting workers, businesses, and communities nationwide. Number 1. Strategic tariffs. Implement targeted tariffs on specific imported goods to level the playing field for domestic manufacturers. By increasing the cost of imports, we can make U.S.-made products more competitive, driving demand for domestic production. Energy subsidies and nuclear power. Provide subsidies for renewable energy sources like solar and wind, and focus on developing small modular reactors, or SMRs, and underground nuclear power plants to ensure efficient, sustainable, and secure energy production, lowering operational costs for manufacturers through renewable energy use. By integrating combined heat and power (CHP) systems, these nuclear power plants can utilize waste heat to further increase energy efficiency and provide additional power. By integrating solar panels, sodium-ion batteries, and a combined heat and power system, Balgrupa communities can achieve significant energy cost reductions and enhance sustainability. Solar panels can cut electricity bills by 30 to 70%, while sodium-ion batteries can provide an additional 10 to 20% savings by storing excess energy used at night, reducing peak demand charges. The CHP systems contribute a further 15 to 25% cost reduction by utilizing waste heat for additional energy generation. Together, these technologies can lead to a total energy cost reduction of about 55 to 115%, potentially allowing Balgrupa communities to not only meet their own energy needs, but also sell excess energy back to the grid, making them highly energy efficient and sustainable. This approach not only ensures a stable and secure energy supply, but also maximizes the utilization of resources, making the entire energy grid more efficient. Advanced automation. Invest in robotics and AI technologies to increase manufacturing efficiency. Automate routine tasks to boost productivity while implementing training programs and upskilling initiatives to help workers transition to new roles, ensuring their well-being and job security. Reshoring incentives. Offering grants and financial incentives for companies that bring manufacturing back to the USA. This helps offset relocation costs and encourages domestic production by providing financial support and benefits to reshoring companies. Intellectual property protections. Strengthen intellectual property protections to encourage companies to invest in new technologies and innovations. Ensure robust patent and trademark protections. Simplify the process for obtaining IP protections, and provide support for small and medium-sized enterprises. PPPs, or public-private partnerships. Fostering collaborations between government and private companies to develop advanced manufacturing hubs and innovation centers. To share investment and risks, leverage expertise and resources from both sectors, and focus on projects that drive local economic growth and create jobs. Streamline logistics. Invest in infrastructure improvements to reduce transportation and distribution costs. Develop efficient logistics networks and improve transportation infrastructure to ensure smooth movements of goods, making domestic manufacturing more competitive. Upgrading ports, airports, railways, and road networks can significantly reduce transportation costs and improve efficiency. Leveraging technology for real-time tracking and route optimization ensures a streamlined logistics network that supports the seamless movement of goods. Incorporating sustainable practices like green infrastructure and eco-friendly vehicles further enhances the system's efficiency and reduces environmental impacts. Financial mechanisms. Provide low-interest loans and favorable export financing terms to help manufacturers expand and compete globally. Support these mechanisms through the Community Wealth Fund to ensure prosperity and sustainable growth. Community Wealth Fund and infrastructure projects. The Community Wealth Fund plays a crucial role in funding transformative infrastructure projects. By pooling investments from the working population, the fund can finance large-scale projects such as electric roads and nuclear power plants. These investments not only drive sustainable returns, but also contribute to a sustainable and efficient energy and transportation system. Electric roads, powered by advanced technologies, enable seamless charging of electric vehicles, reducing dependence on fossil fuels and promoting cleaner transportation. The Community Wealth Fund can allocate resources to develop a nationwide network of these roads, enhancing connectivity and reducing emissions. Similarly, investing in small modular reactors and underground nuclear power plants ensures a stable and secure energy supply. The ROI from these projects benefits the investors in the Community Wealth Fund, ensuring shared prosperity and long-term sustainability. The efficient energy generation and distribution systems generate substantial wealth, driving economic growth and providing significant returns for the fund's investors. Employee investment incentives and cost savings. To ensure that all workers have the opportunity to invest in the Community Wealth Fund, we need to implement strategies that increase their disposable income and provide matching incentives. Matching contributions for worker-owned businesses. In worker-owned businesses, we can allocate a portion of the profits to match employee contributions to the Community Wealth Fund. By matching up to half of what each worker invests, businesses can amplify the impact of their employees' savings. Implementing cost savings for workers. To address the concerns that some workers can't afford to invest, we can introduce various cost-saving measures to increase their disposable income. Collaborative housing, or the Balgupa model. The Balgupa model inherently reduces housing costs up to about 20% through collaborative development. This reduction in living expenses increases the disposable income available for savings and investment. Energy efficiency programs. Implement energy efficiency programs that subsidize the cost of energy efficient appliances and home improvements. This reduces utility bills and increases disposable income. For example, a 20% reduction in a $2,400 annual utility bill saves about $480 per year. Debt reduction initiatives offer debt counseling services and debt consolidation programs to help workers manage and reduce their high-interest debts, freeing up funds for investment. For example, reducing $10,000 of credit card debt from 20% interest can save $2,000 annually in interest payments. Financial education workshops provide financial literacy programs to help workers better manage their finances, understand the benefits of saving and investing, and making informed decisions. Automated savings programs. Introduce automated savings programs that round up everyday purchases to the nearest dollar and invest the difference into the Community Wealth Fund. Small, regular contributions can add up significantly over time. For example, rounding up 50 cents for 50 transactions per month can save $300 annually. Enhancing employee benefits. By implementing these cost-saving measures and investment incentives, we can ensure that all workers have the financial means to contribute to the Community Wealth Fund. This not only enhances their financial security, but also drives shared prosperity and sustainable growth. Join the Confluencist movement. With these strategies, we can make investing into the Community Wealth Fund accessible to all workers, regardless of their financial situation. By fostering a culture of savings and investment, we can drive a sustainable economic growth and build a brighter future for American manufacturing and infrastructure. Join us in making a difference in shaping the future.